Hey guys, my name is Joel Dooley, owner of AdvantaClean, and on this week of Water Wednesday, we're asking the timeless question, my carpet's wet, Joel. Can it be restored? You'll find out next on Water Wednesday. My carpet's wet, Joel. Can it be restored? That's a phenomenal question. And typically, the replacement of your carpet or drying your carpet depends on 5 things. 1, the lamination. When the backing separates from the carpet fiber. If that's what happens, and the backing that holds the carpet fiber together separates, the carpet's no good anymore, needs to be replaced. 2, the loss of adhesion to the floor or subfloor. If that happens and it no longer has the ability to hold down on the floor, has to be replaced. 3, permanent stains. I know none of y'all want to be hosting Thanksgiving dinner or maybe a New Year's Eve party. I mean, that's what I probably would do. And have a big stain on the family room carpet. You don't want that because a lot of times gray water or dark water, class 2 and class 3 water will leave stains, and that's not gonna impress anybody. So if that's what happens, probably needs to be replaced. 4, carpet covering wood flooring. A lot of times, insurance companies, if the carpet's been saturated, but you still have a good wood floor under that carpet, will have someone like me come in and take up that carpet. That way you still have a nice wood floor and it doesn't buckle the wood floor. Wood floors, obviously much more expensive to be replaced than carpet, so saving that a lot of times is a primary objective. 5, kind of mentioned previously, sewage contamination. Clean water is called class 1, class 2 is called gray water, and class 3 is called dark water. If you're in a class 2 and class 3 category, you don't want to save your carpet after that because that's when it's full of muck and sewage and that's stuff that none of you all want to stay in your home if I can dry it. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in this week. This week's joke of the week, I'm bringing a little bit of assistance because the only thing better than one of AdvantaClean employees is having 2 of them. Come on in here, Mom. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Water.
Water who?
What are you doing? Open the door. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in this week. My name is Joel Dooley, owner of AdvantaClean. We're open 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. Call me anytime, day or night, to help you. 606-331-5001. See you next week.